In Google Sheet, if you have a foreign text, you can simply use a function called Google Translate like this. The first argument will be the location of the foreign text. So it's going to be A3, comma, and I know that this particular text is French. I'm going to say FR for language code, and I'm going to convert it to English as in EN and close parenthesis. And Google Translate nicely translates this French into English. But what if you have a language which is of a different type and you're not too sure what languages they are? So you can't be typing FR here because this is not French, of course. So the way to walk around this would be this. Let's say, for example, if you don't know a language, you're going to have to use a function called DETECTLANGUAGE like this. And the first argument, or the only argument on DETECTLANGUAGE, will be the cell where the foreign text is and close parenthesis. So what this does is that DETECTLANGUAGE goes and finds out what language is this and basically translates it into English for this matter of fact, and hit enter. You can see that this particular language got transferred into English, and you can apply the same set of formula to the rest of the rows like this.